Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 10.4 of Chapter 10, Vector Algebra, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. Exercise 10.4 is the vector product, determinant expansions, perpendicular unit vectors, the distributivity proof, and areas of triangles and parallelograms with two multiple choice. Here is the list, grouped. Question 1 of the vector product, the determinant expansion, the I hat component vanishes, expanding the determinant, 0 I hat, 19 j hat, 19 k hat. The magnitude is 19 root 2. Question 2, cross the sum with the difference, then normalize. The sum is 4, 4, 0 and the difference 2, 0, 4. Their cross is 16, minus 8, magnitude 24. Divide by 24. Question 3. The direction cosines must square to 1. The third cosine follows. A quarter plus a half plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Cosine theta 1/2, theta pi over 3. The components are the three cosines. Question 4. Distribute the cross product carefully. Self crosses vanish, and the order matters. Expanding. A cross O and B cross B vanish, and minus B cross O is plus A cross B. Question 5. A zero cross product means parallel vectors. Proportional components. The second vector is half the first. Lambda 3, mu 27 halves. Question 6. 0 dot means perpendicular or 0. 0 cross means parallel or 0. Both cannot hold for two non-zero vectors. Non-zero vectors cannot be both perpendicular and parallel. At least one of a, B is the zero vector. Question 7. Distributivity of the cross product, proved with components. One determinant with summed rows splits into two. The left side is the determinant with second row, and third row B plus C component-wise. A determinant is additive in any single row. The sum row splits into the B determinant plus the C determinant, which are exactly the two cross products. Question 8. The cross of parallel non-zero vectors also vanishes, so the converse fails. Take it as I hat and B as 2 I hat, both non-zero parallel cross 0. Converse false. Question 9. Half the magnitude of the cross of two sides. A B cross a C. A B is 1, 2, 3, and a C is 0, 4, 3. The cross is minus 6, minus 3, 4 with magnitude root 61. Half of that is the area. Question 10. The full cross magnitude this time. No halving for a parallelogram. The cross is 20, 5, minus 5 with magnitude 15 root 2. Question 11. Multiple choice. The cross magnitude formula, sine theta, must be 1 over root 2. Magnitude of the cross is 3 times root 2 over 3 times sine theta, which is root 2 sine theta, equal to 1, theta pi over 4. Option B. Question 12, the last one, multiple choice. All four corners share the plane z equal 4. Side lengths 2 and 1. A B has length 2 and BC has length 1. The area is 2. Option C. That completes all 12 questions of exercise 10.4. In the next video, we will take up the miscellaneous exercise on Chapter 10. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to Math Tutorials, and share it with your friends.